Hello and welcome to the third and final video for week 7. It's time for us to start talking about our project. And one of the projects coming up is worth 50 points, which is the same as a quiz grade. Looking at your screen now, you will see some brief ideas, but we'll continue to talk about these as the screen changes into pictures. It's a 50-point project and it is due March 18th. The project must always relate to the mathematics, but also something that you are passionate about and interested in. Some of the ideas might include, but certainly are not limited to, designing your own string instrument and relating it to how Pythagoras designed string instruments. It may be something more in the art field where you're designing a sculpture, such as this Klein bottle, or another piece of art, perhaps a painting, drawing, sculpture, something along those lines. You are also welcome to always use your textbook, sections that we may not have covered, such as codes and secret code breaking, something that you could use UPC labels for in a different way other than the way we've studied so far. So feel free to flip through your book and find an interesting section that you might want to do your project on. Another option might be origami and taking a look at some interesting geometric features of origami. Remember, all projects must relate to mathematics, and you'll need to present that in a way either in a paper that is included with your project or some other way. This is a beautiful picture of fractals. Fractals and snowflakes have an awful lot in common. Again, this is one section in your book that we will not be covering, but has lots of interesting implications if you'd like to explore them further. Or perhaps your job is your passion and it relates to mathematics very closely, or your future job, and you would like to explore exactly how would mathematics apply to that. Make sure that you're working on mathematics at the college level, simply not balancing your checkbook or something that easy. The purpose of going over these examples are not that you will pick one of them. You now will go out and meditate and think about things that you are passionate about and want to learn more about and how they relate to mathematics. The entire project will need to be presented and handed in physically to me. It will need to include an explanation of its relationship to the mathematics. So it may be a piece of art with a brief description. It may be a video or something of those natures. This week on Course Connect, you will see a place for you to post your initial idea, and I will provide each of you feedback. Everyone will be able to see your idea and feed from it, and will not be able to repeat it. So please take some time to think about what you're interested in and how you can find value in this project. Lastly, I would like you to notice that the tutoring schedule is now posted. This tutoring schedule has been available the entire semester and is free to you to drop in at any time and seek help. This schedule is posted outside of AB 50 across from the copy mail room in the academic building, lowest level. Also, as always, you're welcome to contact me in numerous ways. My office hours are on the syllabus. My cell phone is posted for text and cell phone calls. The email is always available, and certainly you can call me on the home phone as well. I hope you've enjoyed this new format and have a good week studying geometry and thinking about your project. Please look at the bulleted list to do in Course Connect, the Mindscapes in Course Connect, and have a super week.